Good morning, this is Steve O'Hare from Signal Centre, and today is Tuesday the 29th of June 2021, and today we're bringing you the weekly crypto technical analysis review. And a pretty interesting week this week. We can start with the Bitcoin, and we're going to run through Ethereum, Ripple and Cardano, and we'll start with the weekly charts and drill down into the lower timeframes. So currently we're looking at this overriding formation on Bitcoin. It's a head and shoulders formation. Really need to get a break and a close below the neckline, which comes in for me around about 28,800. Price action has reacted really strongly off that last week, and we're on to a positive start this week. So looking a little bit nicer for Bitcoin compared to last week. On the daily chart, we have an impulsive move lower. This takes place in 5 waves. We're currently in the 4th wave correction, so the correction could actually continue around this level. 41,000 is the sort of line in the sand, as I would see it, for this formation to play out. So we could get a bit of a rally here, and if we look at the lower time frame, the 4-hour chart, there is the potential. Obviously, we've seen this reaction again off this 30,000, 31,100 level, the basically support area, 28,788 all the way up to 31,100, and we've got another reaction higher again. Now there is a potential for a double bottom here. This would have taken place with these two drops here, and the neckline for that comes in at 35,500, which we are only 300 points away. So I am thinking that if we do get a break off here, we should get a move up. Resistance really is up at 41,000. We're above the Ichimoku cloud, so that's a positive. So I am slightly bullish of Bitcoin this week. Let's look at Ethereum on a weekly basis. Looks pretty messy and pretty bearish, but we have seen the reaction from this supportive line 1730 and a bullish hammer type candle posted last week, so that is positive as well. Let's look at the 4-hour chart. The daily chart will not really show us a great deal, but again, we've seen a break through the neckline already on Ethereum, and that happened at 2045, and it's pushing higher. Now this could lead to a potential move, which is a measured move target, and that comes in around about the 2,400 level. Resistance before that comes in at 2278, and again we're above the Ichimoku cloud on a 4-hour chart, so that's positive. Taking a look at Ripple now, again similar sort of price action. However, we've got this bearish flag that we thought we were forming. Prices have broken to the downside but have held at 51, and we're getting a small reaction higher. Drilling down to the 4-hour chart, we've got this wedge formation, this triangle formation, this ascending triangle, which basically has potential to break either way. So really in the middle of the this seems to be the one that's really underperforming Ripple compared to the others, and it's still in the 4-hour Ichimoku cloud. Level of resistance, it comes in at 70. A break above 70 and a close above 70 on a 4-hour time frame is positive, and we should look for that to continue higher up to potentially 93. But for me, this is the coin that is really struggling, and with you can see, although prices have moved higher from this point, volumes are declining. So for me, the ideal trade really is to sell it into resistance in front of the 70 level with a tight stop, and you can reverse above there. Looking at Cardano, again we can see the weekly time frame has posted a really decent looking positive candle. That's a bullish hammer. We've got the reaction from this low. Again, this will be the 3rd time we've seen this here. Let's get that. And really a positive start, although slightly indecisive. Not really had a big move, but we are off to a positive start this week. The closer levels to look at, Cardano, we are retesting this previous swing low, which was support. We're retesting that. That was now resistance. That comes in at 135.80. A break of there, again, we're above the 4-hour Ichimoku cloud, so that is positive. A break of there should lead to a retest of 139.90. I hope this analysis has helped and assisted, and we look forward to speaking to you next week.